Okay, so the newest BJJ Box. The newest BJJ Box came in last night, and so I thought I would just go ahead and jump right into this, do an unboxing for you guys. And so I grabbed my Hibbett throwing knife, and we're gonna go ahead and slice this bad boy open and see what's in this month's BJJ Box. Let's go ahead, pop this bad boy open. All right, we got our first item. We got Strong Pods, drop, shake, and go. What are these? Oh, okay, so they're protein shakes. 4 pods, so you get 4 different protein shakes. That's actually kind of cool. It's already pre-sized out, so you can just go ahead and jump it right in. And of all the things I've seen in one of these BJJ boxes, this is actually probably one of the best. Only 100 calories per pod. That's not bad considering I think my current protein shake is like 190. Drop it in your 250 milliliters of water, shake for 15 seconds, you're good to go. Nice. All right, that's a nice one. Then soap. If you've heard me talk about these things before, these are one of my all-time favorites, especially this is the shower gel one. I am about done with my current bar soap. And this is the peppermint one, so awesome. Favorite things that I get. What do we have here? Use the code, start my trial. You get online system. So, and this one is under Christian Woodsmansey. So you get, I guess, a free 1 month trial to his online system. The BJJ Box card. Body wipes. All right, these are pretty good. I will say I did like these. I took these to the RTJ Carlos Machado camp in Dallas, and when I didn't have enough time in between sessions to get on like a full shower, I did use these to kind of clean myself up, and I did like them. And this is the little trial pack, so you get 1 of each. The citrus one was awesome. I really like the citrus one. The lavender one I did use before I went to bed, so that is a good one. This is scent free. I don't remember if I used that one. I don't care for the coconut one, but I don't like coconut in general. Tea tree was good, peppermint was good. So the only one I don't remember is the scent free, and it's scent free, so maybe that was the point. So, but these are good. I do actually like those things. I also have the defense wipes, and those I like as well. I use those in my gym all the time. But this little packet here was actually great for a 4-day weekend seminar camp thing. So there is that. Put that. What's this? Can't think of the word. A knee. Something for your knee. A knee thing. Knee protector. Knee shield. That's not right. It helps keep your knee in place. Honestly, I'm losing it. So it's just compression. They're just saying this. Knee sleeve, there we go. Whew, I couldn't think of that for nothing. All right, so knee sleeve and drum roll. We are on the shirt. All right, let's see what the shirt is this month. Package is getting tougher. I don't know that. Or I'm getting weaker. One of the two. So what do we have? Always jiu-jitsu sore. That's actually pretty good. That's pretty true too. I am pretty much always sore when I do jiu-jitsu now. Especially being that I'm going to be turning 47 this month, so that definitely is a factor. Awesome. Well, there is this month's BJJ Box. I'll go through the card really quick. I will tell you if this is something that you are on the fence about, you should definitely do it. If you use the code BJJ, you will get a discount. That's a discount code that you can get a percentage off of your first box from the BJJ Box people. And so you get, of course, you get a monthly t-shirt every single month. So if you don't have enough martial art t-shirts, that is a way to get more. And then, of course, you always get some cool items. The defense soap is always a welcome thing. I'm excited to give this a try. Running through the card really quick, protein strong pods. They're saying these are a $40 value. That's actually pretty cool. The Clean Freak wipes. This little pack is $7.50. You get all 6 of them. And then you get the soap. This is $9. And then we also have the knee sleeve, 27. And then last but not least, we got the t-shirt, which is 16. So there you guys have it. You know what to do. You like the video, hit that like button. You stay to the end of the video. If you like the content on the channel, smash that subscribe button. And last but not least, hit that bell icon so you get more cool stuff from all of us here at Keisha Dojo Martial Arts and the Martial Art Limited Association. You guys stay safe, keep training, and I'm out.